Hello everybody, it's Michelle, and I was browsing around on the Beebeecraft website to see what kind of products that I could find to help me in my scrapbooking. So I found some things here that I think you're going to like. I just got some glitter paper and some book rings, and this is if you want to make your own handmade albums and things like that. You can bind them with the rings, and I just love these, you guys. They've got such a huge set. This one here all came in one set that includes both gold and silver, or you can also get it in only silver or only gold, but you've got several different sizes here in both. So there are 5 different sizes of each color, and you can see they range from very small to pretty large. Let's see, that one is 1.5 inches on the inside diameter. Let's see, the next one down is 1.25 inches, 1 inch, 3/4 inch, and about 5/8. So I really like the option of silver and gold in one set, but like I said, you can get just silver or just gold, depending on your preference. And you can bind your handmade albums with those, and I think that is great. But what I really loved was these colorful ones. They are 1.5 inches, and of course, you know, they open as all standard book rings do, and then you can just close those back when you get all of your pages on there to bind your book. And with these colorful ones, you can match the cover of your album. It would be really fun for kids with these fun bright colors. But then you've also got gray, you've got black, you've got brown. So really anything that you wanted to do with these, any sort of theme to your album. And also, as crafters, you know that these can be used for so many other things besides just binding albums. Making your little wreath ornaments for your Christmas tree, all kinds of different things that you can use those for. And I think that would really be a lot of fun. So next I chose some glitter papers, and these are not your standard 8.5 by 11. I think these measured at 8.25 by 11 3/8, I think it was. So you may have to, you know, make some adjustments on those according to what you want. But I just love them. I don't think that's showing up on camera, but this is a super fine glitter, and it does not come off on your hands at all. I mean, nothing comes off at all. And I've had a lot of glitter papers that do, and these do not. And the red, I really like that the glitter sparkles red rather than silver or white reflecting off of there. That may be why it's not showing up so well on camera, but in person it is really gorgeous. And it just seems to have such a depth to it. It's almost kind of psychedelic to look into this glitter in person. I wish it showed up on camera the way that it does in person. Let me look for that silver and show you guys. I hope that it will show up on camera. It's kind of showing up a little bit, but still it's just not as wonderful as it is in person. I really, really suggest this cardstock if you like a glitter paper, and it's not going to come off. And I want you guys to see the full range of colors that you get. We've got the red, the purple is sort of a pinky purple like magenta or something, and you get 3 sheets of every color. So there's lots that you could do with these. We've got gold, silver, And there is like a royal blue, which was the school color for my kids' elementary school. So this is going to come in handy a lot in my scrapbook pages for school events, cheerleading, academic team, and basketball team, and all the things that they participated in at that school. This will be great to use for that. Then we've got a light blue, and then you've got sort of like a brown or bronze, which I think is really fun to have those sort of earthy muted colors and sparkle at the same time. I think that's a lot of fun. Something like that would be great to use as gingerbread or something when you need that muted color but you want to keep it fun and sparkly at the holidays or something like that. And then here we've got an orange, which would be great for fall leaves and pumpkins. The brown also would be good for fall leaves. And here is a turquoise, and I think that would be really fun in a scrapbook as well. I think that would go really good with my pictures for my junior prom. And here is sort of a silvery pink. It's a very light pink color. Very soft and muted. I like that. And then we have black. And the black is one of those that when you see it in person, you can really get lost in the depth of that sparkle. I wish it translated on camera as well as it does in person. And then here we have another purple, not quite as magenta as the other one. Just a slight difference in those. And when I saw those two next to each other, the first thing I thought of was Halloween. So you can get that sparkle and fun. And I think these are so pretty. I just love these. I wish I could show on screen to you guys how wonderful this is in person. I really encourage you to order some of this. It is so sparkly, and I can't believe how it just absolutely does not come off. So just for an example, I'll show you guys maybe how you could bind your homemade albums. And see, we're already, that doesn't fit into my hole punch, so I'm going to have to trim a little bit of that off. So I'll bring in my paper trimmer, which by the way is new, and I'll leave a link to that for you guys if you want to. I'm really happy with this. You guys know that I had the guillotine style trimmer already, but there's a lot that it can't do that this one can. So we're going to cut that down to 11 like a standard paper so that can fit into my hole punch. And this is just a standard hole punch. I think I got it in the office supply section at Walmart. Nothing special. But if you wanted to do, you know, a different hole pattern, whatever you wanted to do, you can punch that any way you want it with any specialty punch you've got. However you want to do your album, and add all of your pages, however thick you want it to be, however many pages you've got going on in your album. And if I had some filler paper, I would stack that in there and show you guys. I thought I had some filler paper, but I don't. So we're just going to open these up and we're just going to pretend just to show you guys. So you just go through your whole stack of whatever you've got punched, and however many holes or whatever configuration you've got for your album, and have it all bound. And these really sort of sturdy up when you've got a whole stack of things going on there, and you can just create custom albums any way you want. And the best part is that these can just be undone if you want to add pages or whatever you want to do there. If you were to flip open your page here, you can just flip to the page where you want to add something, open that up just like you would in a 3-ring binder, and add your pages there and snap it back, fold everything all together, and you've got your album. I really like binding methods where you can change and add or take away pages and really continue to personalize it after the fact in case you do want to make changes. And you can do that with these rings, and I think it's a lot of fun. Also, you could use just one if you wanted to just bind it at the corner for some flip through pages, or you could make a top bound note page that kind of flips up that way. I just really liked the rings, and I wanted to show those to you guys. I think they're a lot of fun, and I'm going to try to come up with some more craft ideas using these to show you guys. I just wanted to really kind of give you guys an overview today, and those beautiful glitter papers and these fun binder rings. So if you guys want to pick up some of these for yourself, I'll have the links in the description below as always, and I'll have the specific sets that I bought as well as just the link to their general website so you can browse around if there are other things you're interested in. So be sure and check that out. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, give me a like over on my Facebook page, and be sure to join our Facebook group, Crafty Minds. Also follow me on Pinterest and Instagram, and don't forget to visit my blog. I'll have those links in the description as well, so be sure and check them out. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.